Brody, what's my name?
Mommy.
How do you know I'm mom?
Because I came out of your belly.
You did? Do you remember it?
Yeah.
What was it like in there?
Light.
It was light?
Yeah.
What did you do all day in there?
Say hi and seek with Kiki.
You and Kiki weren't in my belly at the same time.
Why?
Because you're 3 and she's 2.
I said hi and seek by myself.
You hid from yourself?
Yeah.
And then you found yourself?
In the closet?
In my belly. That must have not have been very hard.
How long did it take to came out?
9 months.
Why?
Because that's how long it took for you to finish baking.
But,
Did you like it in there?
no, not very much.
Do you like it better out here?
Yeah. Cheese.
Oh, what's on your lips?
I can see cheese.
Oh my God, let me see.
Look at me. See.
Lip gloss.
Look at me, Mom.
Where'd you get those?
From you.
No.
From the store.
Brody James. Are you digging in your nose?